My name is Pearl Mkabela and I'm the Guest Relations Liaison. So we are Protea Hotel Fire and Ice, Durban, Umhlanga Ridge. It's a 205-bedroom hotel. It has a 1960s beach surf nostalgia feel to it, and it is an absolutely amazing hotel. So COVID has impacted us in a really hard way. We did close for about a few months. However, things have been amazing for the hotel and we have seen an increase in business and a lot of growth too. So the message that I have for you guys is that we are in the urban social hub of Umhlanga. We are conveniently located right across from Gateway Mall. We have the beach 5 minutes away, and I mean Durban is always summery, so that's what is the most important thing. KZN has it all because they have fire and ice, and we're the only fire and ice in Durban, and it's the weather, and of course the people. We have Ubuntu and we are absolutely amazing.